Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want access to advanced AI models, deeper research tools and faster results, upgrading to Perplexity Pro is the next step. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to upgrade to Perplexity Pro effectively. So first thing, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app, log into your account, okay? And now go to your profile, okay? So click your profile icon. Open settings, go to accounts, access upgrade options. So as you can see here, we have many options. Okay, so click upgrade. You will see pricing plans, okay, in the upgrade page. Okay, so you have here two options. You have the Pro and you have the Max. So pricing is different. Okay, so choose monthly, or I think it's not about monthly or yearly here, so it's just 2 packs. Okay, so enter payment details after you choose which one you want. Credit, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Okay, so fill in the details, confirm subscription. Okay, so click subscribe or confirm, wait for confirmation. Okay, and it will be activated. Okay, so access pro features, like after upgrading you get advanced AI models, deep research tools, file uploads and analysis, labs access, more queries per day. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.